Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Press the clutch all the way and select first gear to use the engine as an anchor. At the same time, set the handbrake firmly so the car cannot roll. Keep your right foot on the brake pedal. This prevents micro-rolling while you prepare. Once done, glance in mirrors and assess the slope and traffic so you can commit to a single smooth start. Make sure to coordinate clutch, throttle, and handbrake without hesitation. You now focus on control. Slowly lift the clutch until you feel the bite point where the engine takes load and maintain that position. While holding the bite, add about 20 to 30% throttle so torque overcomes the slope. Keep the handbrake engaged during this build-up to prevent rollback. Once the car pulls against the brake with steady forward force, release the handbrake smoothly and increase clutch release progressively. This sequence finish by completing the clutch release and applying more throttle so the engine pulls confidently. Shift to second when RPMs are stable. If you feel rollback, do not panic. Press the clutch, reapply the handbrake, reset to bite, and try again. This prevents stalls and damage. Make sure to practice on gentle slopes to build timing. Also, when parking on a hill, turn wheels toward the curb and use gear plus handbrake, or rely on hill start assist if available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.